Kani kedai Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Lum Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ke kubur ke day bat u COVID-19. Apa kejala ke jungi bentak sing. Khat saw tarik September 2000 hadu si baje mensing. Kilong gumni ki kes ki batmai baro mentak sing kilong shispa life pandai padna kini shispa life pandai shispa ar susau kidan po east khasils padna kini life pandai ki armed forces paramilitary forces pat prakusan ki na kiwei category ribhoi khat ar east Jante Hills ar pat west Garo Hills iwei baru kita ki active case ki bengidan lang kelum mentah lang si hajar ndreus pa prakun reu padna kini si hajar sispa arkusau kidan po east khasils padna kini arspa sauho kidai na po ki armed forces paramilitary forces pat praspa prakusau kidai na kiwei West Khasils Khatsau, Southwest Khasils Sun, Ribhoi Chispa Laiko, Badagini Chispa Laiko, South Nyo Gidiniki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Pakulai Gidina Giwe. Khatlai Gidina West Jante Hills, Chispa South Napo East Jante Hills, West Garo Hills, Chispa Khandai Kupra, but Nakini New Khandai Gideniki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Chispa Khat Khandai, Nakiwe. Southwest Garo Hills, Pra, South Garo Hills, Arpo, East Garo Hills, Khanyo, but North Garo Hills, Khata. Kikis Kibala recover, Mentakasi Gilong. Nhiều phun rêu, bắt nãy kini nhiều phun rêu, khát khandai cái đây là po ribhoi, sun cái đây là East Jante Hills, south cái đây là po West Garo Hills, nãy kini south way the armed force paramilitary forces, but lai cái đây là kiwei, south ufra cái đây là po East Jante Khasi Hills, but nãy kini khát south cái đây là armed forces paramilitary forces, but lai fulai là kiwei. Ki kes ki bala recover hatu mentah baro kilong arhaja sispa sanpuai idon iba khlat menem step but ki ba khlat dot baro mentah kasi kilong arfunyo ki test ki bangifa yang samples hadu mentakasi arbaje meski gilong silap khatsan hajar khandai spa iwe but kibalong negative gilong silap khatwe spa nyokulai test report ke bangidang up gilong kumba khandai spa nrefusau but kibreu Kibarung, syaka jala kejangi, mentah kesini hadu ar baje mensingi kilong life unrew hajar arspa ar. Kikis sispa life khandai ngut kilong kumne ke break up. Sispa ar pusau kidan po East Khasils, badna kini unrew kidai ki high risk contacts. Life khandai the armed forces, paramilitary forces, Laban cluster, Shpo, Golfling cluster, Ndrew, Sari case, Lai, Ribhoi, Hiris, Pra, Returni, Lai, but Cement Factory cluster, Iway. East Jante Hills, R, the high risk case, West Garo Hills, Iway, the Returni, but kini gilong kijing pentep kibai dei buat COVID-19 mentasi buat kiba khalat no men step jo kateng ka jungi gadai yo bor harsono safun rius nem kerta shenrang idei iba syang basa apo nyomer apor shlong ipoi hapo hospital menne step hi hakapor new arko men step idei badan gajing shitam la shiteu padmar kajing jur gajing shitam ila poi spo Bethany Hospital Napo Bethany Hospital kita refer ini patient support negrams namar gajing shitam gajing namar bat kawairu kiong ba mdan jitia shu apo isolation ward kejong ke Bethany mereka napoi satai patient ila khlat no kuma ke pensyai negrams khlat apo ke ambulansi bat kila phab yang i nagla declare that i kila phab yang support Bethany pan pendap not kam baro ke baidei bat ka sanitization jongka met bat ban tap yaga met kat kum ka dead body management mentan yo ka jing tip sakawai bawdan we patient bladon kham slam for negrams kerteng ka jungu gede Binod Kumar Goenka badai na po Paltan Bazar Nriu Snam Kerta Shenrang but na po Super Care Hospital kila refer ya ini patient haka arf santarik u August arhajar arko idon kajing pang ship but kajing jing shitom ban penhiar mensim dalapoi hapo negrams test positive but kila ai kajing sumari idei ibadan kiwe lu kajing shitam kum ka diabetes hypertension but namar kajing shitam ila khlat no mentah kasi hakapor khat a salko minski iklat kadau galong type 1 respiratory failure with COVID-19 pneumonia with acute respiratory distress syndrome and comorbid condition is type 2 diabetes mellitus with hypertension kajong i yo bor kharsano kajing khlat kajing i kadai na ka acute respiratory distress syndrome with COVID-19 with acute gastroenteritis and lower respiratory tract infection. Naskwa banom yang sachisim ba kini kajing pang COVID-19 kasyong bet hangi kamdan ganu ke dawai ke bangin ai ban penkot yu COVID-19 kadai betang kajing yada kajing penkot kadai kajing yada pat kajing yada kadai lightly SMS social distancing ke bangi ong physical distancing mentah kimas bandeng hak rukam ke badai but hand sanitization dah ke bangi peron kami sanitizer lani ngitat ke pat ke sabun haman Kateng. Minom yang saya sisin. Kabang lajuai ban baru. Pau ni COVID-19 teng ungara ai kajing thang hapo iya. Kajing thang galong lada pingat aku contact tracing. Lani don manu ki balong positif hayeng. Lani ginu ki bakhlat hapo iya. Namar lada ki jagum kini pavin keli balai kamdai su kapor van keli balai. Ngala ongkan fusin hang ni, I have said many times here also that when you test today, you are negative. And you go about your duties. You protect yourself, then it's okay. Then, after 10 days, when you find yourself that you are positive, you cannot go back and say that I was negative on so-and-so date. How is it possible that I'm positive now? Pilai menta kani ka jingpang kakta no. Ya kitu kibal adon jingpang lupa pokamet comorbidities but ya kibal kham temen. Timenta kasyong bet stang happy but hanga. Kumno bangila ban tem ya kani ka jingpang. But kata kadai bangin follow ya protokol. Kani kala adai ka thamam tha. Kathama ka bangimi yano ngele. Hendai ngi sutu. Bakani ka jingele kadai tang na ka jingada. But kita ka jingada kadai kita mangi ong fi SMS. Khen bai unu khnyang jingpang kram jing isna yeno inoro ula bang kita. Ka bangi jiong hi borabor ngi duai men step men ski men met. Ngi pan ka jingada. But ya kata ka jingit ngi don ngi ngit skam ya kata. Hendai habang ile gini katma kamdai kapor ban keli jingkeli ini. Anda kalawan kapor kaba suk kaba san kaba shingan ha kata kapor sekeli jingkeli. But habang ide ban ai jubab ha kanu kapor ngin ai ka jubab. We from the health workers side, you will see right from top to bottom the administration, the shnongs, the local darbars, local administration. We have exposed ourselves in so many ways. It does not matter for us if we get the infection. Even if we get it, it will not matter for us to name ourselves that we have got the infection. It is high time now that we live with the virus and we live responsibly with discipline. Once we do that, ladang ngila ban im kumta kemud ngila ban ile ini punya. Ringkat bat kecingirap jong blai tai kendat menjerong uba ni juduai man kepuat. We appeal once more that please, this is not a time to point fingers at anybody. We are trying our best at all levels. If this best cannot improve the situation, we will make better efforts to improve the situation. Kindly give us your cooperation, and we know that the whole state, across the state, ki baparo ki breu ki tuai na banta baro ki behile persya yu ni uknyang Jepang. But ngangets come he bangin job. I am very sure, I am very hopeful that we will be victorious in the times to come. Only thing is that we just have to be disciplined and we have to work together as citizens of the state to protect our people, especially the elderly, the young people, and the people with comorbidities. Thank you.